In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zero in front of a number in Google Sheets. This is a useful trick for those working with data that's required to have leading zeros, such as zip codes or employee IDs, and you want to ensure that your spreadsheet respects these formats. First, open up Google Sheets and navigate to the sheet where you want this change to occur. Now let's explore 3 different methods to achieve this effect: using an apostrophe, converting the number to plain text, and applying a custom number format. We'll start with the simplest approach, using an apostrophe. Select the cell where you want to have your number with a leading 0. Once you have clicked on the cell, type an apostrophe followed by the number, like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This method tells Google Sheets to treat the contents as text instead of a number, allowing all characters to display in the cell, including the leading 0. After typing, simply hit the Enter key. This is an easy way to quickly ensure your numbers display exactly as typed. Next, let's try using the plain text format. Again, select the cell you want to format. With the cell selected, navigate to the Format menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. Click on Format, then move your cursor over to the Number submenu and select Plain Text. By setting the cell format to plain text, you're telling Google Sheets to maintain the format exactly as you type it. Now you can type in your number with zeros up front, such as 0025893. Press Enter, and this number will display with the zeros intact, demonstrating the effectiveness of this method. Finally, we'll use the custom number format to add leading zeros. For more control over formatting, and when dealing with a series of numbers, this method is ideal. Start by selecting your desired cell. Head over again to the Format tab, click on Number, and then scroll down and select Custom Number Format. In the dialog box that appears, type in the format code, which consists of zeros to represent each digit in your number. For example, if you want all entries to be 5 digits long, enter 00000. This will adjust your numbers accordingly, adding as many leading zeros as needed. Once you've typed your desired format, click Apply to see your number formatted with leading zeros. All these methods give you different levels of flexibility and control over how numbers are displayed in your sheet. Whether you're managing large data sets or simply wanting your spreadsheet to stay neat and organized, knowing these techniques will definitely come in handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you format your numbers more effectively in Google Sheets.